Okay, hello children. So, so far we have done the factorization by using formulae and by middle term breaking. So this very question we have done with the middle term breaking. So this very question now we'll be using factor theorem. Okay. So how do you do? First of all, let us go back to factor theorem. Factor theorem we need some, because it's a extension of remainder theorem. So we need, for example, x square plus 1. So we need some space, okay, so that we can have, suppose say x, suppose 0 is suppose 1, then we'll be putting 1 square plus 1, that is 2, no? So likewise we need some space like px, so that we can put, you can use factor theorem. For that we'll be doing what we know, we'll be dividing, okay, we'll be taking common out of these three terms. So how do you do? So suppose say 6x square common, you have taken out 17 by 6 x plus 5 by 6. So how come 6, you have taken 6 as common out of these three terms. So 6 into x square, 6 square, 6 into 17x, 6 into 17x, 6 will be getting cancelled up, so 17x only, the same thing will come up. 6 get cancel, again 5 will become. So that's why, so somehow we took the common out of this three terms, 6. Okay, now this is what, now we have got quadratic polynomial. Okay, so let us denote it by px. Let us denote it by px, so that we can have space for using factor theorem, scope for using factor theorem. Okay, now again let us get going. Now this is what quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means, suppose say this is general form bx plus c. So how many zeros will be there? So the highest degree is 2, so we'll be getting two zeros. Let it be a and b. Okay, so if we convert these zeros into corresponding polynomials, then you will have x minus a and x minus b. Okay, so these two are the factors, whereas a and b are the zeros of the polynomial. For example, like this, if you convert x is equal to x1 is the 0, if you convert it into corresponding polynomial, then it will be minus 1. So at 1 7, you will have x minus 1 as your factor. So यो a र b किन आयो, दुईटा किन आयो, दुईटा डिग्री छ. सो गर्दाखेरि a र b चाहिँ 0 हो भने, अघि भने जस्तो 1 हो भने 0 हो भने नेगेटिभ 1 x माइनस, a हो भने नेगेटिभ a with x, b हो भने नेगेटिभ b with x. So we have two factors. So let us write 6 x minus a and x minus b. So what is it, a and b? A and b are the zeros of the polynomial, zeros of the polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and x minus a corresponding factors are x minus a and x minus b. Okay, now again if you multiply it, ultimately you will be multiplying last one a and b. Okay, so plus minus minus plus ab. So you will be have last term कति हुन्छ ab. So that means ab चाहिँ constant term हो, multiply गर्दाखेरि कति निस्किन्छ, a into b चाहिँ कति निस्किन्छ, ab निस्किन्छ. If you multiply it, x minus a, x minus b, so x square minus bx minus ax plus minus plus ab. See, your constant term will come up. Okay, so x square minus b plus a plus b x plus ab. So your constant term is nothing but ab. So here what we have constant term over here, 5 by 6. So that means your ab is 5 by 6. Okay, now what are the factors of 5 by 6? Let us get going with the number 2. 2 को फ्याक्टर्सहरु के हो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ प्लस 1 minus 1, प्लस 1 minus 1. So प्लस 1 ले पनि 2 लाई डिवाइड हुँदाखेरि प्लस 1 ले 1 2 जा 2 रिमाइन्डर 0, माइनस 1 ले पनि हुन्छ हेर यहाँ, माइनस 2 जा माइनस माइनस प्लस 1 1 2 जा 2 0 रिमाइन्डर दुईटा. त्यस्तै प्रकारले 2 itself प्लस माइनस 2. So यसमा how many factors? there are altogether 4 factors, plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, altogether 4 factors. Likewise, suppose say, what are the factors of half? Factors of half, obviously factors of half will be plus, minus 1, plus and minus 1, and obviously plus and minus half. Okay. Likewise, what are the factors of 3 by 2 obviously the factors will be again 1 त हुन्छै हुन्छ, एउटा चाहिँ हो कति हो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ 3 हो, एउटा चाहिँ हो हाफ हो कि हैन? लेट अस चेक इट. अब 1 ले त्यति नै हुन्छ, 3 ले चेक गरौँ. 3 by 2 छ, 3 into half 3 by 2, so remainder 0. that means 3 is a factor of 3 by 2. Exactly half पनि हो कि हैन? So let us check it. Again यो पनि plus minus हुन्छ ल, plus minus. So half पनि हो कि हैन? So let us check it. 3 by 2, half into 3, 3 by 2. That means remainder is 0. Again half is also a factor. So जुन चाहिँ नम्बर छ त्यसको नेगेटिभ पोजिटिभ दुइटै हुन्छ, किनभने माइनस माइनस प्लस भइहाल्छ नि. So likewise हाम्रो यहाँ कति छ? 5 by 6 छ हैन? So 5 by 6 यसको फ्याक्टर्सहरु के हुन्छ? There are lots of factors. The factors are factors of 5 by 6 are एउटा obviously plus 1 हो, एउटा चाहिँ हुन्छ हेर just see 6 can be एउटा चाहिँ 5 हो, plus minus 5 हो, एउटा चाहिँ हुन्छ 1 by 6. 5 by 6 is nothing but 5 into 1 by 6 हो नि त, 5 ones are 5 by, again यो 1 by 6 can be what distributed, अथवा it can be split up into 2 into 3. That means 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 we can write. So एउटा फ्याक्टर हुन्छ 1 by 2 हुन्छ, एउटा चाहिँ हुन्छ 1 by 3 हुन्छ, प्लस माइनस. ओके. अनि अर्को अझै पनि हुन्छ प्लस योसँग 5 सँग एट्याच गरेर 5 प्लस माइनस यतिमै हुन्छ, प्लस माइनस 5 by 3 पनि हुन्छ. So there are altogether this much factors. Okay, so we will be checking one by one. Okay, so if we put 1 लगाउनु बित्तिकै त यहाँ त के फाइदा छैन, -1 लगाएर पनि के फाइदा छैन, बिकज 1 लाउने बित्तिकै 1 स्क्वायर सबै पोजिटिभ आउँछ, जोडेर जान्छ. -1 लाउँदाखेरि पनि यो पोजिटिभ आउँछ, यो नेगेटिभ आउँछ, तर हाम्रोमा 0 आउँदैन. अब कुन चाहिँ 0 दिन्छ भन्दाखेरि लेट अस पुट, अब यहाँ पोजिटिभ छ, I will be trying to put the negative. Okay, so let us see px is equal to कति छ, x square plus 17 by 6x plus 5 by 6. So we will be putting, so let us say minus half p. Okay, let us put positive half लगाउँ. positive निस्किँदैन, किन all are positive, so ultimately answer will be positive only. We need factor हो भने चाहिँ कति आउनु पर्छ, 0 आउनु पर्छ according to factor theorem. So let us put minus half लाउँदाखेरि minus half whole square plus 17 by 6 minus half plus 5 by 6. So now minus half, no, minus plus 1 by 4 plus minus 17 ones are 17, 6 twos are 12, so 5 by 6. So now now LCM is nothing but 12. 4 how many times? 3 times, minus 17. 6 how many times? 2 times. 2 5s are 10. So now 3 plus 10 13 minus 17 by 12, that is minus 4 by 12. So जेसुको होस् हाम्रो यहाँ 0 आएन, सो गर्दाखेरि यो minus half चाहिँ 0 हैन रहेछ. So let us get going with the minus 1 by 3. Okay, minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 लगाऊँ अब, minus 1 by 3. एकछिन पज गर्दा भाइ. So minus half चाहिँ हाम्रो फ्याक्टर छैन रहेछ. यहाँ याद गर्नुपर्ने कुरा के छ, all the things are positive. So हामीले पोजिटिभ लगाएर के फाइदै छैन, पोजिटिभ लगाएर झन् बढेर जान्छ. हामीले एभ्री टाइम नेगेटिभ लगाउने कोसिस गर्नुपर्छ. नेगेटिभ 1 ले निस्किँदैन यहाँनिर. सो नेगेटिभ हाफ लगायो. सो गर्दाखेरि अब यहाँनिर नेगेटिभ 1 by 3 हेरौँ अब, किन पोजिटिभ लगाएर के फाइदा छैन. सो नेगेटिभ 1 by 3, नेगेटिभ 1 by 3, नेगेटिभ 1 by 3. Now minus plus 3 3s are 9, plus minus 17 1 6 3 is 18, 5 by 6. Now LCM will be how much? Okay, now LCM what? Okay, let me do this thing first. You 5 by 6. So 9 let 2 times. 18 lay 1 times. So 18 1 times 17. So minus 15 by 18 plus 5 by 6. So LCM will be again 18. 18 1 times minus 15. 6 lay 3 is 3 5 is 15. So minus plus 0 upon 18. 0 upon 18 is everything divided with 0 divided anything is 0. So obviously last finally we got our intention of getting the remainder as 0. So that means minus 3 say minus half say के रहेछ 0 रहेछ. Corresponding अब अघि भनेको जस्तो यहाँ minus 130 भने चाहिँ कति हुन्छ यसको corresponding उयो चाहिँ फ्याक्टर चाहिँ कति हुन्छ नेगेटिभ x minus a छ भने चाहिँ कहाँबाट आको यो के रहेछ यहाँ अघि हामीले p minus a आको लाउँछ हैन रिमाइन्डर यो minus a चाहिँ हामीले बनाउँदा के हुन्छ यहाँ प्लस हुन्छ त्यसरी नै यहाँ minus 1/3 छ भने यहाँ प्लस 1/3 एउटा फ्याक्टर यो रहेछ. ओके नाउ अर्को फ्याक्टर हेर फेरि अगेन यसमा हामीले यहाँ पोजिटिभ लाउने कामै छैन किनभने पोजिटिभ लगायो सबै बढेर जान्छ नेगेटिभ मात्र लाउनु पर्यो. नाउ लेट अस 5/2. ओके 5/2 5/2. नाउ 5 5 are 25 पोजिटिभ हुन्छ यो by 4 plus minus 5 7 are 35 5 1 are 5 85 6 2 are 12 plus 5 by 6. So LCM will be definitely 12. 4 how many times? 3 times. 3 into 75. 80 12 1 times 1 into 85 85 6 2 times 10 times. So now 75 plus 10 85 minus 85 again कति भयो 0 by 12 that is 0. That means हाम्रो यो चाहिँ के हो p minus 5/2 is nothing but remainder को we got 0. त्यसो भए यो 0 रहेछ यो हैन minus 5/2 is 0. corresponding factor चाहिँ कति हुन्छ अघि भनेको जस्तो यहाँ p minus a आयो भने चाहिँ यसको corresponding factor x plus a हुन्छ भने p minus 5/2 छ भने कति हुन्छ x यसको अपोजिट plus 5/2. So what are the factors now we got के पायो ultimately therefore this polynomial. So 6x square plus 17x plus 5 is equal to यहाँ कति छ 6px. px चाहिँ हामीले के गरेको छ यति अहिले px यति लेभलैन यो डल्लै गरेर हाम्रो कति यति आयो. सो गर्दाखेरि हाम्रो 6 सधैँ छ. यस 6 कमन लिएको थियो हामीले x square plus 17 by 6 x plus 5 by 6. हामीले यसलाई सल्भ अहिले फ्याक्टर थ्योरम लाउँदा कति निस्क्यो फ्याक्टर्सहरु चाहिँ एउटा चाहिँ निस्क्यो x plus 1/3 एउटा चाहिँ निस्क्यो x plus 5/2. So these are the factors. So this polynomial given polynomial has been factorized into 3 factors. One 2 factors. Okay 6 त हामीले कमन निकालेको. Okay thank you.